Now, I was able to partner with Hostinger for this video, and they gave me an exclusive discount link that you can use to sign up for any of their hosting plans and get an additional 10% discount on any plan that you choose. Now, to claim that discount, all you have to do is scroll down and click on the first link you find in the video description. This link will take you to the sign up page that looks like this, where you can see that the discount code MedixMedia has been applied. Now, once you're on this page, simply click on Start Now, and this will scroll you down to the different hosting plans. Here I recommend to either go with the business or the premium plan. The business plan will give you more performance in terms of website loading speed, and it'll also allow you to create up to 50 websites and give you 50 gigabytes of storage. Now, this is the plan that I personally use and recommend, but if you're on a limited budget, you can also take the premium plan and you should be just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the business plan. And here on the next step, we're going to have to choose our payment cycle, which is currently set to 48 months. This will give us an introductory rate of $269 per month for hosting our WordPress website for 4 years. After the 4 years, it will renew at $16.99 per month. So this is the most affordable option that you can choose if you don't mind to pay a bit more upfront. If you don't want to pay as much upfront, you can also choose the 24 or 12 months option, which will increase the average price a little bit, but you don't have to pay as much upfront. I don't recommend to go with the 1 month option because it is considerably more expensive. I'm going to go ahead and choose the 48 months option. And then before you click on continue, make sure the coupon code MedixMedia is applied. And once you've confirmed that, let's click on continue. On the next step, enter your email and choose a password and click register. Then enter your billing address and click continue. And finally, enter your payment information and click submit payment. And this will take us to the onboarding steps for Hostinger. Now, because these steps change often, it's going to be easier for you to follow along if we go straight to the Hostinger dashboard and set up everything there. So for now, we're going to skip these steps and click on this Hostinger logo up here. And then confirm by clicking on Leave. And this will take us into our Hostinger dashboard. Here, the first thing we want to do is confirm the email address that we have used to sign up for Hostinger. So go to your email inbox and look for an email from Hostinger. Open it and then click on Verify Email. And this will confirm your email and take you back into the Hostinger dashboard.